Oh, hey guys, how's it going? Just siphoning a little bit of gas here so we can, get into some remarketing. Anyway, one of the things we get asked a lot is about the different quality of gasoline or petrol that people have in different parts of the world. It's actually not that hard to tell the difference. You just taste it. Unleaded tastes a little tangy. Supreme is kind of sour, and if it tastes good, that's probably diesel. I'm just messing around with you. It is a question we get asked all the time though. What is the difference between fuel quality in Europe and fuel quality in Canada? Why does Canada or the United States have lower octane fuel than European fuel? And the answer is they're actually pretty much the same. In Europe and in other parts of the world that use a measurement system called RON, that stands for Research Octane Number, they will typically have a pump fuel grade of maybe 95 for their base fuel, and then a 98 or 99, sometimes you might find 100 or 101. How is that different to US, Canadian fuel, other jurisdictions where the number appears to be a lot lower? Well, if you look on a pump in North America where it says what the octane is, it will usually say in smaller writing underneath the number, R plus M divided by 2. R stands for RON in that equation. So what does M stand for? M stands for motor octane number. These are just two different measurement methodologies that you can use to test the octane level of fuel. So RON, research octane number, MON, motor octane number, just give a different result when you test the same fuel. So 98 RON will typically measure out roughly 10 points lower in a MON test. In North America, they take both tests, they average the two of them. So that means if you see a 98 RON measurement, that is roughly equivalent to 93 octane pump fuel in North America. So as a general rule of thumb, if you want to know the difference between RON and MON, or just subtract 5 or add 5 depending on which direction you're going in. So if you're interested in buying our software, you live in another jurisdiction and you see that we've noted on our website, hey, we need you to have 93 or 94 octane fuel. We are here in North America. That is the same as 98 RON where you're from. So a little bit of inside for you. It's pretty much the same stuff.